This is a 2011 Toro Titan ZX6020. This mower has a 60-inch fully welded mowing deck. Washout ports on both sides of the deck to wash underneath. There's your parking brake, and here are your steering controls. This unit also features a contoured seat with armrests. On the left side you find the fuel tank with a cup holder. The rear tires are a 20 10x8 Turfmaster. The 2011 Toro Titan features a 26 horsepower Kawasaki engine with a standard air filter you find here. This unit also has dual EZT hydrostatic transmissions to power the unit. A different feature not found in the previous year is the rollover protection system. On the right side you find your control panel. Here's your digital hour meter, ignition key, choke control, throttle, and blade engagement. This mower also features a deck lift foot assist you find here. This is a 2011 Toro Titan ZX6020.